Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to talk about how you can get free AutoZone gift cards. And to do so, we're going to use a website called Prize Rebel. And I had mentioned this in a video a couple of days ago, how I was going to AutoZone and I'd gotten these free gift cards. And a bunch of people expressed interest in Prize Rebel and asked some questions about how to earn. And we're just going to do a whole video on how it works. And if anyone knows how I do videos, I don't script anything, I don't plan anything out, so we're just going to be spitballing here, shooting from the hip, and I'll just go to different places on the site to show you how to use it and some best practices to make money on this site. You don't have to get AutoZone. We'll look at all the redemption options. There's, I would venture to say, hundreds of options, maybe 800 options. There's a lot. So I do have my referral link in the description down below, so I'd appreciate it if you use it. If you sign up now, then you can actually go to the pages with me, maybe watch the video on your phone and actually go to the pages on your computer or do it side by side on your monitor, whatever, however you want to follow along. But first off, we'll just look. Every point is worth a penny, and you can see right now I have in my account $48.21. So as soon as I get to $50, I am getting 5 $10 AutoZone gift cards so that I can buy a new starter, which costs about $50. So that's what I'm saving up for, but I want to show you guys some of the redemption options. We'll do this alphabetical. So 1-800-Flowers it is. I'm not going to read all these, but let's just do some scrolling. You got Bass Pro Shops you guys might be interested in, Buffalo Wild Wings. You saw Amazon and eBay was up there. PayPal is on here if you just want to get cash. You can also get Visa cards. There's eBay, GameStop. Lowe's is on here. I'm pretty sure Home Depot is on here. There you see Lowe's. So there's just all sorts of stuff. You can search through these things if you want. But there's Shell if you just want to get gas cards. So all sorts of stuff, right? And then the way you're earning points is doing surveys, watching videos, filling out different types of offers where they'll ask for your name and address and stuff. So you can see all these different people who have recently cashed out on Prize Rebel. It shows the most recent. So first I want to show you, let's see, rewards history. So this is my personal rewards history, what I've cashed out to. You'll have to excuse the snail's pace internet going on right now. So here it says your current stats, lifetime points. Again, every point's worth a penny. So I've made $1,926.24 on this website, and I've claimed 165 different rewards with 1,379 referrals. And you can see I got a $10 AutoZone, $10 AutoZone, 10 AutoZone, 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 AutoZone. And before that, I was getting some PayPal. So here's a $49 PayPal, a $73 PayPal, a $51 PayPal, and some Amazon gift cards, more PayPal. So 100% legit, no question about that. It's definitely not a scam site or anything. There's a ton of big name companies that are on here, and it's a great way to get free gift cards or just cash through a PayPal account. So we saw the rewards, we saw the, well, we can see the referral stats. I'll just show you guys my referrals and what. So you can see this is the day I posted that video. 24 people signed up, then 15, then 11, 5, 2. So, and then like I said, I got a bunch of questions on how to use the site. So I decided let's go ahead and do this thing. So first we'll just go down the list. We have different surveys. You have to set up your questionnaire here, which I don't do surveys. I used to do surveys a ton on these different sites, but I just got burnt out on them, and we're not going to actually do that right now. So we'll just go to the offer walls. So an offer wall is just a third-party company that has different offers that you complete a task, you get points. And you're going to get frustrated because sometimes they're not going to credit. You can go back and try it again. One thing I will say is set up yourself an email address that you don't actually use. Like go to Gmail, create a new email address, and also get yourself a Google Voice phone number because some things are going to want phone numbers. Almost everything's going to want an email address, and you don't want spam on your actual phone number or on the email address you actually use. So make sure you get different accounts for both of those things. You see by default it comes to Peanut Labs, which is one of my favorites to use. And you'll just click on any of these and they kind of tell you what has to happen to complete the offer. So here, steps to receive the reward, enter a valid email address, and continue. Check your inbox. A lot of the times when it says check your inbox and open something, you don't actually have to do that. You'll just automatically get it. So if we click on it, it brings you to the next page. So for this offer, we just have to click here. It's going to ask for email information. Alright, so all I wanted was an email address, and I put that on off screen, obviously, and then here's the Wayfair page. It says it credits within a minute. So as we do this video, we'll keep an eye on it and see if it actually credits or not. Like I said, these things aren't 100%. Sometimes it just won't work, and you go on to the next one. So you see all the different offer walls, and it's going to be more of the same on each of these tabs. So you'll see it here. Another thing you're going to want to do is after you do a couple of offers, clear your browsing history. You want to clear out your cookies so it looks like a fresh browser. It doesn't have the old cookies on there, which might prevent offers from completing. The Hyper MX Daily Points, it's usually a pretty easy one. I don't remember what my total was at before, so I don't know if that credited or not. Hold on, let's check it. It's under the earning history. So here you see I made 38 cents by entering my email address for that Wayfair offer, and it just comes up in the earning history as a Peanut Labs offer. You see these promo codes, they post those on Facebook and on Twitter if you follow Prize Rebel on social media. Once every couple of days. Here you can see this one's on the 4th and this one's on the 8th, so maybe once a week, twice a week. Usually for holidays or special occasions they'll do something. But you can also enter this promo code. If you mouse over this little ticket, there you enter the promo codes, and that's how you get your free points. And by the way, Monica brings up a good point. The codes are good for 24 hours from when they're posted. So time is of the essence, but not too bad as long as you check it once a day or whatever you do. But they're usually from 5 to 8 points about, something like that. So here we go to the Hyper MX Daily. And this is S'mores TV, and down a little bit farther should be Engage Me TV. And they have both the website and they have an app. You can have up to 3 videos playing at once. So if I click on this, it says watch awesome viral videos, blah, blah. Your points will be credited for every 3 ad watches. So if you have an ad blocker on, turn it off because you're just going to be wasting bandwidth if you are watching these with an ad blocker on. So I usually go with the Engage Me TV ones. As I said, you can have 3 open at a time. They have to be 3 different playlists. So if this is the app trailer, then you have to have the movies trailer. You have to have whatever else. So you can see it's playing an ad. And what I'll do is just pop it over here so it's not even on a screen where you guys can see it, and it just runs. So you can also go to the Google Play Store. I don't have an Apple, so I can't tell you how it works over there. But for Google Play Store, if you look up the Engage Me TV app, you can download that. You link your Prize Rebel account. It'll give you instructions on how to do it to the Engage Me TV app. So then you can have a combination of the 3 running between have an app or have 2 web browsers open, whatever you want, but a maximum of 3 going at once. And that all applies to also S'mores TV. It's essentially the exact same process, although I don't think S'mores TV has an app, but maybe they do because I haven't paid attention. So then you have Video Loyalty right here. This is a different company, so it can run alongside the Engage Me and S'mores apps. And you can see there's ones for different points. You just have to read which ones are the best. So this is 0.6, so 0.6 of a point for every 13 ad watches. Not so good, right? But this one is 0.64 for every 2 ad watches. You can credit up to 10 times in a 24-hour period. So we click on that. And then we do the same thing. Just drag it off to the side. It's running while it's sitting over there, and I don't have to do anything. Video wall is going to look pretty familiar to what you just saw here. It's the Engage Me TV, the Hyper MX Daily. Which the Hyper MX Daily... Let's see. Of course it comes up blank. Okay, we're not going to worry about that right now. So there's Engage Me videos too. It's probably one of the most popular things that go on with these sites is this Engage Me videos because it just accrues pretty quickly. Here we go, finally. So the Hyper MX is just videos and ads that play. You can see this new pop-up came up. I'm going to throw it off to the side. after letting this page sit open for 45, I think it started at a minute probably, a minute, it's going to credit me 1 point. So that's the HyperMX Daily. We're going to leave that page open, and we're going to open up Task in another tab. We'll come back to that in a second. So now we're on the Task page. This is called Figure 8. And they actually changed names. I don't remember. Do you remember the name of the old company? Okay, so they changed names. It doesn't matter what the old company is. And this, I think, if you're willing to do it, is the single best way to earn points on any of these Get Paid To sites. And I want to show you a perfect example. It takes me to another site, but just for example's sake. So this is InstaGC. And I have a referral on there, and this is their screen name. And this is how many points I have gotten from them on InstaGC. So that's $780.97 I've earned from just this one person, which means they have earned $7,800 on this website. And if I look up the earnings history from this person, you can see a large majority of how they earn is through Figure 8 tasks. And when I get 1 point, that's 1 cent. They're getting 10 cents every time. So you can see these were all within the same minute. They got 2 done this minute, 2 done this minute, 2 done this minute. So it's very quick earning. And the tasks are like different ones are correct spelling errors in a text copy of something. They'll have like a Google Images top-down view, and one building in that view will have a red box around it, and you have to tell them, is that a skyscraper? Is that a residential home? And it's really just like data collection of things that they can't automate with a machine. Like for whatever reason, the machine can't figure that out, so they need human eyes to look at that. Sometimes it's moderating posts for like swearing or hateful comments, or they just have all these different kind of mundane, simple tasks, but it's just something that for whatever reason a computer can't do it, so they need human eyes to sit there and do it. The more you do it, the more offers you get, and the higher the reward will be. It's kind of like a reputation system. The more they trust you to be honest with it and to actually fill it out, the better offers and more you're going to get. So hopefully that makes sense. Alright, so that's the earning tab, and we looked at the different rewards that they have. Also, you can see over here this little daily challenge. You get 13 extra points, and it's always different, but you get 13 extra points if you fill up this entire bar. You say I have 120 points to go, and then a little button will come over here and you can redeem your level 1 challenge. I think there's 2 levels. I'm not 100% sure. So then if we go to win, they have raffles and different contests you can enter. So like right now, you can get a $10 Visa prepaid card, and there's just a raffle to enter. And those go like all day long. There's always different things going on there. I meant to hit the pause button but couldn't get to it before I coughed, so sorry. Lucky numbers. All these people playing the video slots because they've been legalized in Illinois, and I'm sure other states too. You can just do it online. Just play your little lucky numbers here. If the page ever loads, we'll wait. So here's your lucky numbers deal, and you can buy just essentially lottery tickets and pick your numbers, and yeah, well, you can see what's going on. So they had to pick 3 numbers, and 4,500 points is this week's, or what it's at anyways. Contest, usually it's like a referral contest, how many points you've earned. So you can see the task contest, so that's going back to that Figure 8 thing that we talked about with the different tasks there. And you can see how many points people earned, and they'll earn an extra $2 if they do that. This one is the offer wall contest, how many points you've earned through the offer walls, like we showed you Peanut Labs and things like that. Same thing with the surveys, and a referral contest, so how many points you get from referrals that week, and then you'll get a bonus. So they have a ton of stuff going on. The other thing I wanted to show you, this level right here, you can see I'm a diamond level, and you progress through the ranks here. You start at bronze. Diamond is the top tier, and this is the number of points you have to have earned to get to this next level. So we'll just look at diamond because that's where I'm at. I've had to earn at least 12,000 points on the site, which is $120. Referral, I get 30% extra from anything referrals earn. Prizes are automatically processed. I get a 3% special bonus. Okay, so what that is every month, like the first of the month, the second, I don't know if it's right at the first, it's within the first week of the month, I'll log on to Prize Rebel and a screen will pop up and it'll say cha-ching, and it'll say how many points I earned as my special bonus for the month. So if I earned 100 points that month, they're giving me 3 bonus points for that special bonus. So it adds up if you do it a lot, but it counts the referral money I've gotten from referrals too. Same thing for the prize discount. So I told you every point is worth a penny, but I get a 3% discount and a 3% bonus, so we really kind of have a 6% adjustment there, because everything I'll get an extra 3%, and I'll also get a 3% bonus on everything that I do. So it's a little helpful as you progress, and it kind of gives you more of an incentive to get up through these ranks. Oh, let's see. There's frequently asked questions if you need that, and there's help videos. They also, if you're paying attention to their Facebook page and their Twitter account, they'll do different contests at different times. Sometimes they'll just ask a question. If you answer the question and leave your username in the post, you're entered into a contest. They did a contest before where if you uploaded a YouTube video talking about the site, then you were entered into the contest for like a $25 gift card or something. So it's obviously I showed you guys I've made a little bit of money from the site, so I do think it's worth your time. Look, some people are going to say it's not worth their time, they don't want anything to do with it, and that's fine. It's not for everybody. I think it's great if you don't have anything else to do, or if you just have a moment on your phone and you can play around with it, or if you're watching TV or something, watching YouTube videos, have them going while you're doing this at the same time. I'm going to go get myself a free damn starter, because I can see I'm at 4,900 points, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As I said, my referral link will be down below, and I appreciate if you guys use it. I can get all the help I can get. I'm hoping to get a lot of car parts here as we get going on the Corvette and the Caprice, and yeah, I need some AutoZone gift cards. So, thanks, guys.